Hey guys, we got another unboxing today. Zephyr Sports. So, I think you know what this is. Zephyr Paintball stickers, invoice, and got myself the Alien Invasion. Let's get the box out of the way. This Alien Invasion comes with a GAT, it's what they call the GAT wrap. This is how they pack their markers. Let's see, this gun actually has a lot of people, I don't know, it hasn't really picked up on paintball world, but I think you have to be a connoisseur to like these kind of guns. I do have the Alien Interceptor, good gun. I'm thinking I'm ready for the upgrade for the Invasion. A lot of things, actually part of the one before this was the Alien Independence. There's a lot of things in there. Of course, a sweep bolt system. Again, it's macro lineless. Let's open up the GAT wrap. We'll compare this, well, the manual you have to download, but the paperwork, compare this to your Planet Eclipse or your Axe, Empire Axe, and all the other markers. I guess Jack didn't want to spend the money on those things. And again, you can also actually buy the Virtue board, or just have the Virtue board on it, I believe. Okay, so you can see what we got here in the GAT wrap. You have the marker itself, and here you have your two barrels. I believe this is a 4-ring spare parts kit. Nothing close to Planet Eclipse, but that doesn't really mean the performance is not as good on the marker. Let's pull out the barrels here. It's a 2-piece barrel. So, neoprene GAT wrap case. Put this down pretty hard. Okay, there's the 1-piece and the tip. The green. I was talking to Jack last week. He told me that. By the way, Jack Rice. He's the guy that owns, started Alien Paintball markers, or Alien Paintball. So there's the gun itself right here. It's pretty light, actually. Kind of gives you the same feel of my E-Tech Planet Eclipse. And I believe it's the same VR as we find on the Independence. It's got the sweep bolt system. Sweep bolt, that's what they're sweep bolt. That's what we're known for. You got your eye that covers there, matching green. And again, you don't see any macro lines, so it's kind of like the Empire Axe and the Invert Mini. It's got a good feel to it. Put the barrel in it. Get the full feel of the gun. Barrel, and again your sweep bolt, adjustable trigger. It's kind of like your oops valve here, you off and on, ASA. And again, this is a pocket gun, not a spool. So feels good in the hand, and give you a good shot. I like the Alien logo. So, gap wrap, alien invasion. Can't wait to try it out in the field. It's gonna get on to the back. There's a battery in it. No battery. So we'll put on the video shooting the gun.